Calabash tree or miracle tree, Crescentia couhet, tree of the family Bignoniaceae that grows in parts of Africa, Central and South America, the West Indies, and extreme southern Florida. It is often grown as an ornamental. However, it is also used in traditional systems of medicine. The tree produces large spherical fruits, up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches, in diameter, the hard shells of which are useful as bowls, cups, and other containers when hollowed out. The calabash tree grows between 6 and 12 meters, 20 and 40 feet tall. The branches are long and spread outward horizontally with almost no secondary branching. The evergreen leaves are about 5 to 15 cm, 2 to 6 inches, long, or lance-shaped, and taper at the base. The flowers have 5 petals fused in a funnel shape. They are light green in color with purple streaks. The fruit's shell encloses a whitish pulp and thin dark brown seeds. The tree may flower and fruit at any time of the year. According to www.pchrd.dost.gov.ph, calabash tree, scientifically known as Crescentia couhet, has been used by local communities as remedy for several illnesses. Because of its many uses in folkloric healing, calabash tree is considered as miracle tree of General Santos City. Inspired with the indigenous knowledge on calabash tree, biology students of Notre Dame of Dadiangas University in General Santos City undertook a study to determine the active ingredients of calabash tree potential for medical uses. Analysis showed that calabash fruit and leaf extracts contain flavonoids such as quercetin and anthraquinone, the important phytochemicals for antiangiogenic activities, a process that inhibits the growth and development of new blood vessels in the body. Antiangiogenesis controls the spread of tumor cells in the body by disabling the transport of nutrients toward the cancerous cells. Normally, tumor starts from a single cell and divides to make more cancer cells. The growth of malignant cells will depend on the availability of specific nutrients being transported by blood vessels. In laboratory experiments, the researchers have analyzed the effects of calabash extracts or fruit and leaf extracts to duck eggs. The extracts have successfully halted the formation of new blood vessels as shown by the lower number of branching points in duck's embryo compared to the control samples. With these findings, researchers claim that calabash extracts has the ability to prevent blood vessel growth and development and could be used to help prevent the spread of cancer cells in the human body. Researchers also believe that calabash tree could be a natural resource that can be used in the development of cheaper and locally available anti-cancer treatments. This study won third prize during the Grupo Medica Award for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis in Herbal Medicine during the 7th Philippine National Health Research System or PNHRS Week held in Plaza del Norte Hotel and Convention Center Laoag City, Ilocos Norte. In Davao City, the Davao Medical School Foundation has confirmed that calabash fruit has a blood sugar lowering effect to the tested animals. In the website of PCHRD, it was reported the researchers administered calabash fruit decoction or juice from boiled calabash fruit to hyperglycemia-induced rabbits and compared effects to metformin, a standard drug for the treatment of diabetics, or positive control, and a mineral water treatment or negative control. Analysis revealed that calabash fruit decoction and metformin-treated rabbits showed a significant decrease in the amount of blood sugar in the body, while rabbits administered with mineral water solution have constant high blood sugar levels. According to the study, the decrease of blood sugar level was attributed to the effects of phytochemicals found in calabash fruit responsible for the release of insulin that lowers blood sugar in the tested animals. Calabash is native to Central and South America. In fact, it is the national tree of St. Lucia. How it came to the Philippines, no one knows. In countries where it is common, it is popular because of its medicinal properties. It contains vitamin B1, vitamin C, calcium, iron, sodium, and potassium. The pulp, for instance, is very efficient in dealing with respiratory problems such as asthma and cough. The juice from the pulp is used along with cinnamon, anise, and nutmeg to prepare a herbal syrup which lessens chest disorders and treats gastrointestinal problems. The decoction of the bark can be used to cure wounds. The leaves have the ability to decrease blood pressure and headaches. The leaves can also be crushed and applied to wound to stop bleeding. If mixed with castor oil, it also acts as a purgative and laxative herb.
Calabash is not only known for its healing powers but also as an ally in food preparation. In Chinese cuisine, it is often fried and added to soups. In Japan, people buy it in the form of marinated strips which they use in making rolled sushi. In Burma, the leaves are boiled and eaten with a hot and spicy fish sauce. In Central America, where it is native, the leaves are carefully toasted and combined with other ingredients to prepare a drink called horchata. Other edible parts are the shoots and the tendrils. But don't use calabash too much in food preparation. It has been reported that the young fruit contains a toxic compound called tetracyclic triterpenoid cucurbitacin, which can trigger stomach ulcer. Pregnant women must also avoid consuming it as the fruit was once used to induce labor. There are several other uses of calabash. In Africa, it is called Tupperware tree because of its multivarious uses. When dried, the fruit's shell can be used to make various kinds of utensils, ornaments, and musical instruments. The dried shells can be used to create bowls for drinking and eating or for carrying water. The wood is used in making cattle yokes, wooden wheels, and ribs in boat building.
But before extracting the juice, be sure to select a mature fruit. Here's the reason. If you choose an immature fruit, the juice will have a smell reminiscent of a football stadium urinal which has been starved of flushing water for a while. A fruit that has pleasant but not strong smell is best for making juice. Now, you know why calabash is touted to be a miracle fruit.
Let's enjoy drinking and let be healed by our miracle fruit. A gift from God. Bye bye.